Let's do an instructional review on classic cookie dough mix. Alright guys, come on, let's do it. Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm doing an instructional review video on the classic cookie dough mix from the Thrive Life Bakery. Now, I was asked by a viewer to hold it steady so my husband can pause it and get a good picture of the ingredients list. And then I also want to show you this. This cookie dough mix does a bunch of different stuff. Oatmeal cookies, white macadamia nut cookies, cookie bars, raisin cookies. It's a classic. It's just a base for any number of different types of things you want to do. Today I'm going to be doing caramel chip cookies. It's just chocolate chip cookies, but instead I'm using caramel chips. So that's what we're going to do. We are going to get everything set up, everything ready, I've got most everything together, but there's still a couple things I need to get together, and we'll get it all set up, and we will come back and get this instructional review underway, you guys. Oh, yeah, one more thing. I want to show you this. One of these small pantry cans makes 3 dozen cookies. That will last my family at least 2 weeks, maybe for sure 10 days. So for me, that's a positive. Alright guys, we'll be back. Alright guys, let's do this. First, whip 1 cup butter in mixer until light. Okay? 1 cup butter, whipped until light. So 1 cup butter, whipped until light. Okay. Add contents of can. Obviously we remove the oxygen absorber. And then 2.5 tablespoons water and 1.5 cups semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now we're going to use caramel chips instead of chocolate chips. So, let me lower that. Okay, contents of can. 2.5 tablespoons of water. Oh, oops. I think I used teaspoons. Hang on, guys. I did. I used a teaspoon. Silly me. Alright. 2.5 tablespoons water. Silly me. Okay. And then 1.5 cups caramel chips. And then it says mix until dough forms. Alright. And there we go, you guys. Perfect. Oh, it looks like absolute perfect cookie dough. I can't wait. Alright. Now we're going to put these on the cookie sheets and we're going to turn on the oven to... Oh, I keep bumping the camera. 350 degrees and let it heat up. 1-inch balls. And then we'll cook them for 8 to 9 minutes. However, we're going to do ours slightly bigger because we like bigger cookies. So, we'll see. We'll be back, you guys. And here we go, you guys. All baked to perfection. A golden brown on the edges and on the bottom. Look at that. So beautiful. Alright, let's have kids come in and try one. Thrive Life classic cookie dough mix as caramel chip cookies.
Which one?
Anyone. Grab one and eat it.
Mmm. I like it.
You like it?
It's really good. Yes.
How about the next one? Does the another one want to try it?
It said I can only have cookies.
Alright, the other one's going to try it. Grab one. Try it. Yeah, you like it? Cool. Alright guys, there we have it. Oh, look how beautiful those are. All total, I got 3 thumbs up. 2 from the one child, 1 from the other child.
Hey, I had verbal too, okay? Verbal acknowledgement.
Alright guys, there we have it. Wonderful, tasty. I'm very happy, very thoroughly impressed, very grateful. So, another instructional review. We are going to be trying, I have some other ones to try instructional reviews on. So make sure you come back for my review videos. Alright guys, thanks for coming along. And we'll see you in the next one. And remember everyone, stay positive. Oh hey, if there is something in the bakery or any of the simple plates you would like me to do a instructional review on, let me know in the comment section. Alright guys, stay positive. Bye. And there we go. Let's have a taste test. Grab one, taste it, tell me what you think.
It's good.
Now these...
I'm taking the whole thing.
Taking the whole thing?
And the bag.
Run off with my bag of...
Nope, I'm running off with your bag of cookies.
Oh, he took the bag of cookies, you guys. Alright, thanks for coming along on this adventure. I'm not sure how long these are going to survive now that my husband has them. I hope you enjoyed the video. If there's any other instructional review videos you'd like to see me do, leave them in the comment section down below. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next one. And remember, stay positive. Bye! Here guys, I went and grabbed the cookies back for a short filming. I ended up with a little bit more than 3 dozen cookies. So I'm very happy. And here he is to take the cookies back. Alright guys, bye!